Every why has its because, the deeper truth behind life's events. Have you ever wondered if the things that happen to you are truly random? Whether moments of joy or pain simply come and go without meaning, or if there's a deeper intelligence guiding it all? Ancient wisdom tells us there are no coincidences. Every effect has a cause. Every question, a hidden answer. Sai Baba once said, "If you believe in coincidence, you don't believe in God." This isn't about religion, it's about resonance. What we experience today is often the echo of yesterday's energy of actions taken, thoughts repeated, and emotions felt. And if we want a different future, we must shift the energy we send out now. Let's take a moment to reflect. Do you follow through on your promises? Do you live with integrity? Or have you perhaps unconsciously settled into fear, envy, or resignation? Life mirrors your inner world. Every person, every challenge, every delay is a response to your vibration. When we doubt ourselves, life gives us more reasons to doubt. When we trust, life opens doors. But here's the miracle. The moment you ask the right question, the answer is already within you. Not outside, not in the future, but here, now waiting to be remembered. The quality of our questions reveals how much we've grown. As our awareness rises, our questions deepen, and so do our answers. This is how transformation begins, not with control, but with surrender. With faith in the intelligence of life itself. Nature never makes mistakes. The sun rises, the earth spins, birds migrate all without effort. Likewise, when you're in harmony with your true path, you don't need to force results. Opportunities appear, not by chance, but by design. You were never meant to suffer endlessly. Even hardship, when seen from the soul's perspective, is a form of grace. Sometimes we are drawn to things not to succeed, but to learn. A failed project, a broken relationship, a financial loss, they're not punishments. They're preparations. Preparations for greater freedom, for clarity, for self-trust. Like digging a well, the effort is not wasted even when the water doesn't appear immediately. The most successful people didn't stumble into greatness. They aligned themselves again and again with their purpose and refused to give up. They didn't always know where they were headed, but they knew how they wanted to feel. Free, alive, and in harmony with themselves. This is why fulfillment doesn't come from luck. It comes from alignment. The law of cause and effect never sleeps, but it also never punishes, it only reflects. So if you don't like what's being reflected, you don't need to blame the mirror. You simply shift the image inside. Let's ask ourselves, are we following our heart or someone else's expectations? Do we welcome growth or resist it? The truth is, life always gives us what we're ready to receive. And when we live from our heart, what we're ready to receive is more beautiful than we could have imagined. When we open our heart, we not only find the answer, we become the answer.